Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one text-based adventure game in Python. And I hope you will also enjoy this project of Python like my previous projects of React, React Redux, React Native, MERN and many others. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you and it will be also help for me. So just do that all things, and I will be also make like how to build like adventure game in Python and many other things which you will be just enjoying and love to do that all things. Okay, so now we will be just starting Python and we will be also doing some of the Node.js projects in future here. But now today is our first project of Python, so I'll be just starting here. But here you have to first of all open your like this window, and here I will be writing a text, means we will be open our text editor which is called PyCharm, in which we write our all the codes of Python. So I'll be opening this text editor here. So we will be starting from beginners, then intermediate, and we will be just coming last into advanced. Okay, so I'll be opening the file of like this is my adventure.py file, which is just I will be working with. Now here I'll be, for taking a new file, you have to just go here, right click on Python project, go to new and press Python file here. Then you can just give any of the name of your Python file, like I will be giving that to like adventure. So we have already given this name, so I'll be changing this to like text based. Okay, so I'll be writing text, you can write, then I'll be writing .py, press Python file, or you can press enter. So I'll be doing enter. So now you can see that our Python file has been created here, which is called text.py. So in this text.py file, we will be creating some of the codes which helps you to just run your app here. So I'll be changing that to adventure. Now you can see that we are just getting this text.py file. Now I'll be zoom in so you can see my codes here, which I will be doing now. So here, when you've just done that all thing, just I will be coming here and I will be writing another thing which should be like while. So you can just write it while loop. Okay, so I'll be just first of all coming here, then I'll be writing while true equal, and here you can just write while true like that, or you can also write this while true like in equal to if I show you. So you can write while true by writing this quantities, you can write while true. Okay, then you can close this tag here, or you can write while true like that. So here I'll be closing that. Okay, so take care about that, and while true your T should be capital here because this define your true tag which is just coming here. So now here I will be doing one thing, I'll be writing this colon and I'll be coming underneath just directly here. Now when you've just done with that all things, I will be just now here I'll be erasing that things here. Now here I'll be also erasing this one. Okay, so just if I do that, so you can see now this is nothing happening here, just our files all changing into red. Okay, so it is because the git which is just coming, so I have not installed that, but it's nothing happens if you do that. And this red fire nothing means like it's just sign to just not to do these things. Okay, so just we will be doing that all, but you can do that still if you don't have git, but you can download if you want to. But I will be not doing these things because here we want only text-based adventure game which we will be making that. So I'll be coming here now, and now I will be changing this to like right here while again, then I'll be writing true, and here I'll be coming underneath and writing a tag which should be like answer equal input. Then in this input, first of all I will be coming here, then I'll be writing like go to the crosswords. Okay, so I'll be writing crossroad left or right. So I'll be asking like that, left or right. So here now I will be writing question mark because it is a question, but now you will be thinking like this is a question, so why I starting I am writing answer. Okay, so this answer is a tag from which you can define your input, and this input is a tag from which you can define your question or answer which you are writing. So we are defining question, so because of that I am writing this question here. Now here I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath here and I will be link this to my like this answer equal input tag which I have written. I will be link this to with my all the input tags which I will be writing here. So automatically it will be change all the input tags in which I am writing here. So now I will be coming underneath here and writing a tag which should be like, first of all I will be coming and then I will be changing this to like input equal, but here this is an input tag so we don't have to write any equal. Then I will be writing like yes or no. So it will be also random changing these things here, so don't care about that. It will be changing that all. Now close that here. Then I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath here again, and I will be changing this to like input we have written now. So I'll be writing like question equal input. So now here I'll be writing this tag, and here you can write this like that. Then after it I'll be just coming here, then I will be writing like if you had a car and a plane, so what you will choose. So I'll be writing like that. Now when you've done that, I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath, then here I'll be writing like again answer tag, and in this answer tag now I will be changing this to like unfortunately. Okay, so here I'll be writing that. Okay, so if you don't know about these things, so you can just do that, or you can also write like no, you don't know how to fly. Okay, so I'll be writing like you don't know how to fly. So here I've written because of the plane. Now I'll be closing this tag here by writing this tag. Okay, so here I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming forward of that. Okay, so just go forward and press enter here. Then I'll be writing a tag which will be else, because this is a tag from which you can define these things. Okay, so here I'll be writing this. So here when you've just done that, you have to do one thing, like I'll be coming here and writing input good choice. Okay, so I'll be writing good choice, you have you go safely. Okay, so I'll be writing that. Now here when you've just done with that all things, I will be saving here now by pressing save, or you can save as if you don't save your file here. Save all, you can press here. Now it means like if you means if you just put this plane in your answer, means there are two options for you to choose, like car and plane. So if you choose plane, so answer will be coming like this: no, you don't know how to fly. Because when we choose plane, so we don't know how to fly. But if we choose car, so you can see the answer will be coming like good choice, you go safely. And it's also changed its own wording, like Python also do that. When we are just defining that, so it also changes its own wording to our word, like we are making text based adventure game, so it also change into another means another words in its words only, if it's don't like our words which I am writing in my Python file of text.py. Now here when you've done with that all things, I will be just coming underneath here, and here I will be just writing another thing which should be like don't. Okay, so I'll be not writing that here. Now when you've just done with that things, I will be coming underneath here, and here I will be writing another thing which should be like answer, so I'll be writing that. And here we have just done that. So here now we have to just define input tag here again. So here I will be coming create input tag, and in this input tag I will be writing like you have occurred, means I will be writing like you have choice to go. Okay, so here when you've just done with that all things, we have to do another thing, like we will be not coming here now. First of all I will be coming, then I will be writing else tag here also, close, come underneath, create input tag here. Then here I will be writing a tag which should be like I'll be writing you suddenly. Okay, so I'll be writing you suddenly slide. Okay, so I'll be writing you suddenly fall down and you have an injury. Okay, so I'll be writing like you. Okay, so I can write you have a hurt. Okay, so I'll be writing you have hurt on your leg and you cannot complete. So I'll be writing you cannot complete, and I'll be writing that to game over. Okay, because it's a text based adventure game which we are making. Now when you've just done with that things, you can close that, but here there is not any text, so closed, you don't have to close. Then I'll be writing answer. So here I'll be writing answer equal input again. Then I'll be writing good choice, you made it safely. So here when you've done that, just you have to do one thing, you have to hit save. And now the meaning of these things is like if you just choose right. Okay, so if you choose right here, because there are two options, like this is one left, then second one is right. So if you choose right, so the answer will be coming like you suddenly fall down and you have hurt on your leg and you cannot complete game over. So you can just do like that, and it will be just coming game over, and you cannot complete, and your game should be just over, and you have to just start it again. Then if you choose left, so it will be coming like good choice, you made it safely here. Then you can just go forward and also complete many other things here. So here when you've just done with that things here, so I'll be saving here now. So here now our text-based adventure game is ready, because it is some of the small game which you can use. Now here I'll be pressing run button here to run my game. Press, so you can see that it is asking randomly like what game do you like to play. So I'll be writing yes, or you can also write no. So here it is asking now the question which we have written. So it is just asking in its own word, like I've telling you, Python change our words if we don't like to own words. So it is just asking question in our own words, like you are on a crossroads, so where you do like to go, left, right. So I'll be writing now right if I do. So you can see there is coming again like you walk aimlessly and fall on a patch of ice, you injure yourself, game over. So it is just changing this tag to its own language here, you can see that randomly. So if I just write again yes, because now our game is over, like I've telling you, now you have to just start it again by writing yes. And if you write no, so your game will be not start, it will be still start here, because here I don't link this no with my game here. So here when you've done that all things, so here I will be writing left now again. Then you can see that it is asking you encounter a monster, so do you like to run or attack. So here I'll be writing attack if I do. So you can see that's not a greatest idea, because here if you just attack a monster, so obviously you will be just gone, you can't attack a monster here. So I'll be pressing yes here, then go left, and again I'll be pressing run here, because here we have to just run from a monster. Then you can see good choice, you made it safely like we have written. Now here you can see there is written like you see a car and a plane, so what will you choose? If I choose plane here, so you can see there is written unfortunately you don't know how to fly here. So like that it will be just coming. And if I press yes again and write like left, and I will be just writing run, and here if I choose car, then you can see there is written like you see a car and plane. So you can see there is written you won, and you won a game here. So like that you can just build your own text-based adventure game in Python. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you will also enjoy all the coming up future projects of Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this tutorial of Python like you enjoyed my previous one. So just you have to practice these all Python projects and many other projects which we have made, and so just you have to do these all things, then you will be a good programmer of Python also, like you're of React.js. And I hope you understand some of the React.js also. So you have to also understand some of the Python, but I have just already having these courses of Python previously, but I'm just doing for one tutorial, so you can understand many other things, because that was my first video, and in that I can't know any other things. So because of that I can't do more of the coding here. So this is the first code, like that means it is a latest Python coming, latest version of Python like in the market coming. So because of that I'm writing these codes, but the previously I have written different codes here. So just practice these all projects we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python also. So I will be just meet you in next project.